THAIKANYA RSO is a potent, full-spectrum extract, meaning it captures the plant's complete healing profile. Formulated with Thai medical wisdom, it is designed to target chronic pain, fight insomnia, and restore mental balance. New to RSO oil, the golden rule is start low and go slow. Because this is a concentrated medical-grade extract, begin with just one single drop. For the best absorption, place the oil under your tongue. Hold it there for 60 to 90 seconds before swallowing. This allows the active compounds to enter your bloodstream faster. Patience is key. RSO can take 1 to 2 hours to take full effect. Do not increase your dose immediately. Let your body adjust naturally. And every body is different. For a personalized dosage plan designed for your specific condition, consult our doctors at THAIKANYA today.